everyone, welcome to our channel. Today in this tutorial I will guide you on how to remove Facebook account from Instagram. If you have connected your Facebook account to Instagram and now you want to unlink them, we will walk you through the steps. So without any further ado, let's delve into the video. So the first step that I want you to take is open your Instagram app and log into your account if you haven't already. Then tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner of your screen and go to your profile. Here, once you're on your profile, tap on the menu icon present on the top right corner, represented by 3 horizontal lines. Now, tap on Account Center and then tap on Share Across Profiles. Here you will see a list of accounts linked to your Instagram. Find the Facebook account you want to remove and tap on it. Then disable both the options. And there you have it. You have successfully removed your Facebook account from Instagram. I hope you found this video useful. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel and also drop a comment down below. Thank you for watching.